The hardest part about making videos, sorry for the echo, the hardest part about making videos is finding a place to do it. All right, guys. Hey, I just wanted to record. This isn't anything formal. Hopefully, you'll take the 2 minutes or whatever it is to watch it. It's kind of become a little tradition. Some of you guys have already know this kind of about me. I like to write poetry and read it to you sometimes. Sometimes it's a little preachy. Apologize for that. But hey, I'm a teacher. That's what I do. So here's a new one. There's one in there that you guys have probably seen, especially 12th graders. But here's a new one. That one was from I think even last year, but that one's old. Here's one I just finished writing. Here I go another day. Here I am, I'm on my way. Already know what's in store for my ass. Gonna go in, get ignored by my class. Once again, I feel like a fool, but then again, this isn't a school. It may be that you disagree entirely with me, but there are things that are true when I tell you this place is a zoo. You can't complain that it's all lame and everyone everywhere is all the same. You correctly place blame, but you misplace or really can't face the actual name of the game. If this is a zoo instead of a school, wouldn't you want to make sure not to act like an animal? When you see fragile things, you're not to run through like a cannonball. What I'm trying to say as I labor away is not that you need to be sure to savor the day. But if you must point fingers, make sure they're always pointed at you. No matter who's at fault, you choose, win or lose, to deal with the mess or live with the stress. Like it or not, this life's all you got. Might as well give it a shot, but it all falls down to you. So we can name names or play lame blame games or grow up, get to work, shed shame, regret, and feeling hollow. Be rid of the past and fear for tomorrow. Create something real that you made and didn't borrow, or give in to the moment because it feels better now. Then look back, years later, head in your hands, just wondering how. How in the hell did I let it all slip away? Here I go, another day.